They say flavors are born in the land, but the boldest of flavors don't grow tame, they run wild. I'm Chef Alejandro Valdivia, and I'm diving into Costa Rica, where rainforests roar, rivers carve the earth, and the oceans fuel everything. I'm hunting for raw, untamed ingredients that redefine this beautiful country, straight from the jungle, the coast, and the people who live by the land. This isn't just cooking. This is a chase, a journey into the wild heart of Costa Rica. Welcome to Chasing Wild Flavor, Costa Rican edition. We are in Costa Rica. We're picking up the car. Guess what? We're meeting up with our friend and chef Arturo and Sebastian. The adventure officially begins now. There's the man. Yo, yo.
What's up? Welcome to Costa Rica, bro. ¿Cómo vas? ¿Tanto tiempo? Buenísimo.
You brought the goods?
Sí, claro.
¿Qué tiene ahí?
Vengan para que vean.
Woo! Look at this, guys.
Microgreens.
Microgreens from Costa Rica, bro.
As
Unbelievable.
fresh as they come.
Unbelievable. Oh my God, I'm gonna try one, bro.
Vienen directo hoy desde el mercado.
La arugula tiene un sabor como a nuez. The arugula has a little nutty flavor. I never tasted one like that. Wow, unbelievable. And this one is super earthy. Amazing. So we are all packed up. We're following our friend Arturo and Sebastian. They're right ahead up in that car that you guys see right there. And now Sebas and I are following them. We're going up to Volcán Turrialba, one of the most beautiful volcanoes in the area, and we're going to be camping actually on the base of the volcano, or midway to the volcano, in about 9,000 feet elevation on a dairy farm. We're going to spend 2 days camping on the grounds of the dairy farm, going for hikes, and then obviously cooking in the wilderness. I want to show you how foggy it is in here. Check this out. You could barely see the road. we had to take a detour. This got very rough here with the roads. It's raining. Cold front came in. It's cold and it's pretty gnarly, to say the least. We're staying at a dairy farm in the very top, close to the volcano. And the truck got so slippery. The 4x4 wouldn't work, and the trucks were like sliding backwards. So we have to divert to Plan B, and we went around Cartago. We were pretty hungry, so we decided to stop at a local spot and try some of Costa Rica's favorite dishes, such as casado and the famous olla de carne.
How was yours?
Oh, mine is great. Estamos probando aquí un poquito de lo que es la comida típica de Costa Rica, es un casado. Entonces esto no hay nada más tradicional para el almuerzo, para un costarricense que un casado, exacto.
It's basically a beautiful combo with like typical sides. You got limon mandarina right here, chicharrón. We got beans, plantains. We got a salad, corn. So we're gonna give it a try. Let's go with the chicharrón first. Pork tastes different. Delicious. Juicy and crispy. The right amount of fat. Very good.
Todos los campesinos siempre se comen un casado para el almuerzo. Siempre.
So sweet. You can smell all the spices. Very clean flavor. Una ollita
De carne, exactamente, para cuando hace mucho frío, perfecta como para hoy. Exacto.
How is it?
Haven't tried it. Trying all the vegetables.
That's not what you're supposed to say.
I know. These vegetables are so good though.
You're supposed to lie.
That's a really good olla de carne. I hope you can make one better.
That's what I got done
We
too.
will. We will.
Because now I'm coming straight back here. This is so good.
I got the 18 right here. Olla de carne. This is a traditional stew, country stew. We're actually gonna cook this tonight for you guys. Everything here was cooked on the broth. They're on the side, and then you could add them as you want or just eat them by spoon. And right here you got your beautiful beef. Look at that. Nice, juicy, and tender. And then the remnants of all the stock and the other veggies in there. You see carrots, celery, and whatnot. Enjoy. The whole country's covered in like a big cloud and like mist, and we are up in Sierra de la Muerte, up in the mountains, and it is pretty eerie right here. It's beautiful, but you can barely see anything. The fog is so dense, and literally you see the clouds just pass by every time we come to an opening. We're praying that tomorrow morning conditions will be better, so we could fly the drone, and we could get on with our planned schedule. Because tonight we're actually trying to beat nighttime and make it to our cabin and set up a fire and cook for the night. This is been a long day. Nice and rustic, I love it.
Amazing. All made of wood.
Nice house in the mountains overlooking the jungle. Can't beat it. Well, guys, tonight's our very special first cook of the trip. We are in the Sierra de la Muerte area, up in the mountains of Costa Rica. It is raining outside, kind of cold, and we thought it was appropriate to make a dish that we tried earlier today. Olla de carne is basically a Costa Rican beef stew, very light, but also very deep in flavor. You get the ingredients right here, and I'm gonna have this guy take it away and tell you a little bit about olla de carne. It's my first time having it. I just tasted a little bit today, but I've not enjoyed a whole bowl of soup. So I'm very excited about cooking this. We're gonna start here, and then we're gonna take it out to the parrilla outside, and we're gonna make sure that it's as authentic as possible. So tell me a little bit about this dish.
It's a really typical dish that you're always gonna have in these kind of areas where it's cold, and we have a lot of production like potatoes, onions, camote. Everything we have here right here, it was pretty much cultivated in this area.
In this area. So for the past 100 years, your grandma, her mom, everybody's been doing it the same.
Oh, dude,
way.
let's try 300.
300 years.
Yeah,
Yeah,
exactly.
from
This
the
is a
very
dish
beginning.
that's always been present in Costa Rican culture.
Now there's one element here that we're missing is the beef. What are we doing today?
Well, today we have one of our special sponsors and one of our dear friends from Veracruz, and we're having short rib. And now
Dude.
this is not just any short rib, right? I mean, this is prime short rib, so it's gonna be great. It's gonna be
Oh, look at
exactly
that.
what we need,
Just beautiful.
and that's what's gonna make our dish special as well. That we're using all local ingredients and one of the best meats we can get here in the country. So it's
chef,
gonna be.
How are we gonna deglaze that? How are we
Oh.
gonna deglaze that?
That's the best part, dude. Once we finish with this, we're gonna deglaze it with some semental.
Cemental.
So for anyone out there that knows it, you know it. Just the hombres, okay?
Hombres,
That's it.
eh?
That's it.
This is a treat that I had in Costa Rica last time when I came, and
Yeah.
I'm like, we have to have it again. And God, that is good. Look at that.
That's a good beer, yeah.
Yeah.
Look at
Right
that.
there.
That's amazing. We have malanga or yuca.
This is yuca,
Yuca,
malangas,
malanga,
sweet potato, potatoes, onions, carrots, corn,
Celery.
Celery.
celery, some garlic, and tomillo.
Tomillo.
Some
Get some thyme right there.
And this right here, it's a special sweet chili pepper that we have here in Costa Rica. So it's not spicy at all. It's only gonna give us some flavor.
What's the Spanish name for that?
That's chile dulce.
Chile dulce.
Sweet pepper, basically.
pepper.
That's how we call it here. The thing here in Costa Rica to make it a little bit more authentic is that we never never ever take the peel off the potatoes, because that's gonna make it look like a little bit more rustic.
Right.
And that's what we're looking for.
Awesome, and it
It's
also
more easy
holds.
to cook it.
Right, and I bet it holds the shape of the potato much better.
Exactly.
And not destroying it. How about the onions? We chop those like rough chop or small chop like dice or what?
No rules.
No
Whatever
rules.
you want is okay. Normally, chop in little days.
For
Well,
sure.
cheers. Let's get this party going and
Let's do it.
start chopping.
Let's do it.
All right, what I'm gonna do, guys, with this beef is what I normally do. I'm just gonna score it a little bit, just so we could penetrate in there, and do the seasoning. And you guys could see it there. So beautiful. And all the extras. Good stuff. When was the first time you recall having olla de carne?
Oh, dude. Probably like when I was like 3 years old.
3 years old?
Yeah,
Started.
pretty much. Yeah, that's when it started, and we're still doing it. So you know it's a good dish.
Yeah. Check out Sebas. Chef Sebas is like a samurai. Watch him peel the yuca. You can tell the man's got experience. This is what I'm talking about. Look when I split that. Look at the marble in there. Look how beautiful that is. And we are right now at 8,000 feet elevation. We were up at 10. Now we're down at 8,000, which is ideal to sleep a little bit lower. And people didn't know that Costa Rica mountains were that tall, but they are.
They are, yeah.
Yeah,
We do
pretty
have
tough.
places that are really, really cold. The thing is that most people don't go to those places because Costa Rica is
Yeah.
really famous for the beaches, right?
The most special part about this, just bringing friends together, having a drink and cooking something ideal and so organic. Like you said, everything grown in this very hills that we are in, everything was picked within a day or so. And I cannot wait to taste this, dude. So let's get done with this and let's go outside to the parrilla. Let's mark the beef and let's get the stew on his way. All right, guys. So what I'm gonna do is the way I start searing the meat for every stew, and then from here, I'm gonna give it to you guys because I've never done this dish and I wanna learn from you guys how you do it. What I did is I took a little piece of the fat cap of the short rib, and then I'm gonna start rendering it. You can hear that already.
Sounds nice.
That's the sound it has to have.
That's infusing flavor, and it's also gonna help this not stick so much in there. And then what I like to do is I like to glaze it with accompany with a little bit of oil. Now when I have enough of it melted, then I'm gonna put this guy in, score side down. What I like to do here is I like to find the hottest part of the pot, which I could tell is that, because I can hear the sizzle, and I'm gonna leave that there just to continue to render. And then we're gonna come with the short ribs from Beracá. Look at this beauty. Look at the marbling, guys.
It's amazing.
Primo, primo, primo. This is prime for you right there.
It's the best quality.
Best quality.
It's gonna be the best stew.
We're gonna give it one little press and we're not gonna move it. It's okay if it burns a little bit because that's gonna have flavor and it's so thick that won't penetrate beyond the fat. Yeah, it's rendering perfectly. Perfect temperature. We'll just give it 3 minutes and then you guys take it from there.
For sure. Let's do it.
Look at this color, guys.
A little bit of cebolla, chile dulce, and napkin.
Oh, wow.
It smells simply great. Just look at that.
La sazón de la abuela.
Sazón de abuela, huh?
Uh-huh. Hey guys, so it's time for our hombres, some cemental beer. We're gonna deglaze this beef. Now check this out.
We got beef.
We got beef, yeah, that's the one. Now check this out.
Oh, the smell. Woo!
That's what I'm talking about.
Man, that mouth from that beer is freaking amazing.
That's the one, yeah.
Now I brought it to life. I'm gonna throw the herbs in there. Sebastián, what's next?
Ahora sigue echarle agua a eso.
Agua. We got a boil.
Oh, smells
It's sizzling.
amazing.
It's looking great.
It doesn't even have the vegetables and it already
Exactly.
smells like if you could eat it.
Exactly.
Because that's sofrito with the onions and the chile dulce. Unbelievable.
Yep.
And that beef, bro. Forget about it. Beracá did it.
Totally.
It's pretty cold here, so we are basically watching the fire and like managing the fire as we go. But that's the beauty of cooking like this. There's no hurry. We're kind of like cooking with the elements and just letting the ingredients and the elements have their dance, and we just watch the dance.
Exactly.
What do we have right here? We got the yuca, we have the corn. Guys, the smell is unbelievable. All right, Sebas, it's time for the final touch.
Put all the veggies.
Oh man. Oh man. What we're gonna do right now is we're gonna pre-portion the meat. Can't get any more cleaner than this. Then we're gonna finalize it on the soup for like 5 minutes, so all the salt and the flavor spreads back in there. All right, guys. So after 3 hours, the olla de carne is finally done.
Yes.
Let's see what we got.
Let's take a look. Let's see.
Oh,
wow. Oh wow.
it is unbelievable. Everything we wish for. Can't wait for you guys to see this plated. I mean, it invites you from the moment you see it. It really is a beautiful, beautiful soup. What a stew. This, if you're feeling sick or you're feeling down, this will wake you up.
That's definitely what you
It's
need.
been a long day. We've driven a lot. And now it's time to get rewarded.
And with this cold weather,
With this
it's
cold
gonna
weather.
be great.
Look at this beautiful corn from the area. Local corn. No wonder people here live 100 years.
Exactly.
Mira con la carne.
The best part. Oh yeah.
Look at that short rib.
It's just gonna melt, dude. It's just gonna melt in your mouth.
I mean, that's amazing.
Yeah.
And then Sebas, finish it with the garnishes.
Yeah.
We got some beautiful sprouts. Local sprouts too. Cilantro. And our friend right here. And there you have it. The most beautiful olla de carne with my 2 Costa Rican chef friends. We're gonna have a freaking feast tonight. Couldn't do it without them. I mean, thank you so much for teaching me about this tradition and like helping me out cooking this. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna have the first bite.
Yeah, for sure.
Just gonna have the broth first.
Like a fancy grandma.
Unbelievable. It is so silky. It is so clean. And then the silkiness of the short rib is freaking amazing, dude. And it's so cold outside. Inside of this cabin, this feels freaking amazing. You guys gotta try this. In fact, I'll be doing this in my menu. And if you come to Costa Rica with me when I come back next time, you'll definitely enjoy the olla de carne. Until then, see you soon. Chasing wild flavor.